We have done this before where we have made 10 by putting it together in different ways. Today, since this entire chapter we've been working on taking away and we've been working on subtraction, today we're going to work on taking it apart. So here I have 5 cubes and we're going to take apart some of them in different ways. That's what we're going to be working on today. Okay? Now, the other thing is that some of you have been able to tell me this by telling me just different numbers and coming up with numbers, which is okay. But I really, really, really want you to try to stay organized because it is so much easier if you do it in an organized way other than just shouting out numbers or guessing numbers. Okay? So, I want you to look up here. And first, if I have 5 cubes, how many could I take away? What's the first number that would be the easiest if I take away 5, if I have 5 cubes of how many I could take away? 0. You are absolutely right. Let's not take any away because that is the absolute easiest thing I could do. So I am going to color all 5 of my cubes. Okay? Does everyone understand what we are doing? So, my number sentence would look like this. 5 minus, how many?
0.
0. Okay? Very good. So go ahead and get out your top colorful page. And go ahead and color your first one, your first set of cubes. So this is a way that we can make 5. Let's do a, excuse me, let's do a different way we could make 5. I just got done taking away nothing. So what number is close to nothing?
1.
1. So how many could we circle and cross out?
1.
1. So circle 1 cube on the next line and put an X over your circle. Now what are we going to do with the rest of them? Color them. So color those 4. So now my number sentence is 5 minus 1. Thank you. Good job, Kristen. Do you see how we're staying nice and organized? So now, how many are we going to take away?
2.
Don't shout out. I was asking someone else. Thank you. We are going to circle 2 and cross out 2. What are we going to do to the rest of them? Color them. First read, how many cubes did we have first? 5. Did we get more cubes?
No.
Or did we get rid of some?
We get rid of
So
some.
which sign do I use?
Minus.
Thank you for the minus. And how many did we cross out first? 2. Very good. Okay. Remember, we are staying organized. Now, how many are we going to cross out, sir? You are exactly right. We are going to cross out 3. And we're going to color the others. Bless you. How many did we start out with first grade? 5. And then we crossed out how many first grade? 3. Thank you. Now, how many are we going to cross out? You are exactly right. We're going to cross out 4. And color just the 1. So our number sentence should be 5 minus 4. You're exactly right. Okay, so how many are we going to cross out next? We're not going to cross out any. We've already crossed out 1. We're going to cross out all 5. Do you see how our work before us helped us with this answer? So that's how you need to stay nice and organized. So we are going to cross out all of them. How many did I start with first grade?
5.
How many did I cross out?
5.
Did we do this yesterday, 5 minus 5?
Yeah.
Yes, we did. Very good job. Okay, do you think that I've come up with all of the ways that I can take from 5?
Yeah.
Yes. If you look at this first grade, do you see a pattern? So that's how we know that we've gotten all of our things done and that we've found all of the ways to take apart 5. We stayed nice and organized and we took our time and we thought about what goes next. Okay?